Boostrr review, demo, and $2,225 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Boostrr review. Now this is a brand new product released by James Renouf and Shane Nathan. Now if you know James, he is a revolutionary marketer. His products are always fresh, brand new. He always talks about new concepts, new platforms, new ideas no one else talks about, uses, or even knows about. So this product is no different. Boostrr is essentially revealing a brand new platform that will allow you to get instant credibility. You can do this for literally a few bucks, and you know, you can use it to sell anything. So if you have a blog, if you have a website, if you have an e-com store, if you want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to sell anything, this is the way to do it. And this is again revolutionary. And if you ever bought a course from James, that you know that his stuff is just way into the future, and if you want to jump on it now, you should, because you will be way ahead of your competition. And by the way, I'm adding a huge bonus worth well over $2,000, including my custom made bonus, especially for this promotion. So I'm going to show you the bonus in the end of this video. Right now, let me show you the sales page first. Okay, so as you can see, this is the sales page. You know, even when it comes to the sales page, James always thinks outside of the box. This is not the usual sales page that you will see. He always has his stuff very different. So as you can see, it says James and Shane present Boostrr, the new age of unmarketing. Get exposure like you've never seen before with the click of a button. And again, this is James Renouf and Shane Nathan. The sales page is really short. As you can see, it says today we are going to let you in on a huge secret. Essentially, they are just revealing a brand new platform not many people know about, almost no one uses, and this platform is huge. And as you can see, they say inside our system you're going to see Grant Cardone, especially referring to Boostrr. Okay, so I'm going to show you that in a second. Would you like more views? Would you like more followers? Would you like to do more sales? That is what Boostrr is all about. So once you're inside Boostrr, you'll discover how you can get access to traffic in an unbelievably easy and effective way. And that's the sales page. There's not much more to the sales page. And again, James Renouf and Shane Nathan, these are the two guys behind Boostrr. So not much more to read right here and right now. I just wanted to show you the course itself. Okay, and the course is a PDF, so there's no membership area. There's not, you know, a ton of different things that you have to go through. You are getting a PDF that essentially has all the information in it. Now I can't show you the PDF, obviously. It's 33 pages and all the information is right here. You can read through this whole PDF in, I would say, less than 15 minutes, discover the secret and start using it the same day and see results the same day in some cases. Okay, so again, I can't really tell you exactly what this is, but what I can show you is that James and Shane actually have Grant Cardone supporting this. So you know, there's essentially an influencer platform that allows you to contact any marketer or influencer in any niche, and you can essentially pay them a very small fee, and they will help you to generate sales, generate traffic, generate followers, etc. Okay, so you know, I just wanted to show you this video right here.
Shane, James, time to 10x your Boostrr. Look, you can do it. Love what you guys are doing with your hustle, but you got to do it. If you don't do it, Shane becomes shame, and James becomes Jane. Do it, get it done, sons.
You can see super cool. So again, you can have even Grant Cardone, you know, selling your product for you. Again, if you want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to do e-com, if you want to do CPA, there's thousands of people that you can essentially hire for a few dollars, and they will do the selling for you. So this is what Boostrr is all about. Obviously, a part of this one platform, you're gonna get additional platforms that you can use. You're gonna get all the training on how to actually make money with it. Everything else that you need to know about it is inside the course. Again, it's 30 pages, but it's easy to understand. It's even easier to implement, and you can start seeing results with it today. So that's essentially it. You are getting the PDF, and they have a couple of upsells. Okay, so they have this upgrade number 1 and upgrade number 2 as well. So these look pretty similar, but I just wanted to show you my written review because I have everything mentioned here. So I have my bonuses, but first of all, let me show you the upsells. As you can see, we got the Boostrr OTO number 1 for $27, and this is a bunch of additional resources. So you're getting additional video training to make this even more powerful, how to branch out to other niches, a bunch of done for you stuff, and even tools that will make this whole package much easier to use, and you'll essentially be able to make more money in less time. Okay, then we have OTO number 2, Boostrr Mastermind, for also $27, and this is essentially a mastermind, a coaching group with both James and Shane. So you'll be able to join the group, ask them questions, just get the coaching, and you know, for this super small price of $27, this is crazy. Okay, so essentially you're getting the mastermind / coaching, and these are the only 2 OTOs. You know, everything else is with the main product itself. Okay, so as always, OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone, but you know, if you want to get the coaching or the additional done for you stuff, then by all means you can definitely pick up one of these. And right now let me show you my bonuses, okay, because I have some custom made bonuses, some resellers licenses for you, some W's of the Day awarded courses, a bunch of bonuses you're getting from me for free, just as a thank you for picking up Boostrr through my link. And Boostrr will be going live on October 20th at 10 AM Eastern. Now this whole bonus is worth well over $2,000. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna get my custom bonus to Boostrr, which are social media marketing and traffic strategies. Okay, so this is a custom made bonus by myself. You're gonna get it nowhere else but as a part of this bonus package. Okay, so you cannot even buy it if you wanted to, and you are also going to get free resellers licenses to my own products. These are all software, so you're getting a resellers license to Instavit, resellers license to Traffic Trapper 2.0, and to Traffic Extractor Ultimate. Now this alone is worth like $500, so you're getting all of this, and obviously you can use the Boostrr method to promote these products and get 100% commissions on all of it, the whole funnels. Okay, then you're gonna get Blaze, my W's of the Day awarded course about generating traffic from Facebook for free, niche, rapid niche profits, great for Boostrr as well, because obviously this will show you how to make money in a bunch of different niches. Targeted traffic, cache search, another one of my W's of the Day awarded products, newbie traffic formula, Flip Me, Income Booster, and resellers license to Flip Me, which this is a total of 4 resellers licenses that you're getting. You're also getting urgent arbitrage cash and easy arbitrage profits, tube traffic avalanche. These are all W's of the Day awarded courses. My real life case study. Now I normally sell this case study as an OTO to my own products. You're getting it for free. You're also getting 9 plugins and bonuses. So Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, I Ask, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode CTA. And on top of all of this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, software, you know, even some done for you stuff, so you can check it all out. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. Now these bonuses that I mentioned are worth $725. That's real value. These are real products that are currently selling, and you can look it up. And you know, the resellers licenses are selling for $97 to $297. So you know, check it all out. If you don't believe me, these are not PLR courses, these are actual courses and software that are currently selling. So that will be a total of $2,225 worth of bonuses, the biggest bonus package to Boostrr that exists out there, and I can guarantee you that. Now again, Boostrr will be going live at 10 AM Eastern on October 20th. Pick it up through my link to get all of the bonuses, and the early bird price is $12, I believe. After that, the price will be going up, so make sure to shop early and snatch it as soon as it goes live. Guys, I really like this course, and just to sum this up really quickly, I have a full written review on my blog as always. So just to sum it up, you're gonna get instant authority online. It doesn't matter the the niche, you can use this for any kind of a promotion. Okay, so in affiliate marketing, CPA, e-com, even just sending people to your own blog, like having a welcome message on your blog. This works instantly because you're gonna see results with this the same day or the next day, and allows you to piggyback off of the success of others like Grant Cardone. Obviously, this platform has thousands of people, and you know, this will work in any niche. It's crazy cheap. You know, you would think that you would have to spend thousands of dollars on these kind of endorsements. You don't have to. Sometimes you have to spend like $10 or $20. So this is crazy. You're going to be using the power of social media. Obviously, we know how powerful this is, and this works in any niche. So again, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check all of this out. Check out my bonuses, check out you know, the funnel and everything else. And if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube video. If you're watching on YouTube right now, please give it a like, please subscribe to the channel, and you know, just leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you just want to say hi. And I will be seeing you very, very shortly in the next video, and pick up Boostrr for mining to get all of the bonuses. Ciao!